4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 46, часть 1, страница 100, 101, 102. English Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 46, part number 1, page number 100, 101, 102. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 100. Who was it? Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушай и прочитай диалог. Read the dialogue. Harry, you're late. We were worried. Sorry, I was with my dad. Oh, my favorite game. We were ready to play without you. I'm hungry. Don't worry. Gran's making popcorn. What's the matter? There was a little green man out there. A little green man. Yes, I was really scared and angry too. Poor Gran. I'm sure it was Alvin. Next day. Were you in my garden last night? No, I wasn't. I was at the fun fair with Eleanor. Oh, yes, it was great. If it wasn't you, who was it then? Look, it's my dad. Your dad? Where were you last night? The hospital. Look at my head. Do you get scared easily? Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and choose A or B. Тебя легко напугать? Yes, I do. I get scared easily. No, I don't. I don't get scared easily. Прочитай диалог заново и выбери A или B. The answer. B, A, A, A. Number 1. We were worried. The answer. Mona, B. Number 2. I was really scared. The answer. A, Gran. Number 3. It was great. The answer. Helena, A. Number 4. Look at my head. The answer. A. Alvin's dad. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 102. 102. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Noisy. Shy. Naughty. Quiet. Win. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen and write. Exercise number 2. Послушай и напиши. The answer. Bored, angry, sad. Just the other day I was really bored. I was all alone. I was on my own. And when I'm bored, this is what I do. You can do it too. Ha-a-oo. Feels good. The answer, number 2. Angry. Angry. Just the other day I was really angry. I was all alone. I was on my own. And when I'm angry, this is what I do. You can do it too. Ha-ah-oo. Feels good. The answer, number 3. Sad. Sad. Just the other day I was really sad. I was all alone. I was on my own. And when I am sad, this is what I do. You can do it too. Ha-ah-oo. Feels good. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.